Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about crypto.com CRO coin, how we will get to $1. I also want to talk about the overall crypto market and give you just a quick update on where I think we're headed here. So without further ado, we are at 10,600 subscribers. When we reach 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away a loaded line NFT. Super excited about that. Subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So guys, we are still pegged very closely to $30,000. We're in that channel between $28,200 and $32,700 on Bitcoin. It's a very key channel. In my opinion, we're going to be chopping around here for quite some time, maybe even the next 10 months, give or take a month or two. Bitcoin dominance 48.4%. We are, when you excluding stablecoins, we are about 50%. I think that Bitcoin dominance is going to come up even higher as we get closer to the Bitcoin halving. So let's take a look over at Bitcoin before we start talking about CRO. So as we ping pong around inside this channel here between 28,200 and 32,700, I do expect altcoins to probably come down until we have a move a little bit higher. And if, depending on the velocity of the move on Bitcoin, will be determining whether or not the altcoins lag and Bitcoin absorbs the liquidity, or if it is much easier, like something like this, then we will probably see a nice altcoin run leading into the Bitcoin halving. But as of right now, when we're chopping around and coming down here, testing this $28,200 level, which in my opinion, I do think we probably will be bouncing around off of that level in between this channel. Hopefully we don't grind out on that and capitulate below, but I wouldn't be surprised if we did. But as of right now, our key channel to keep our eyes on is between the $28,200 and $32,700 price level. So if we do continue to slowly come down to that $28,200 price level, I do expect CRO coin to do something similar. I do expect CRO coin to come down to the 0.056, about the 5.5 cent level right here, and I would not be surprised if we capitulate down below and we try to slowly fill up this wick here on this candle that we completely capitulated down on. We recovered nicely. I wouldn't be surprised if we tested that. However, you may say, Blacksea, well, how are we going to get to $1? Quite frankly, I do think $1 is very probable. I almost feel like it is priced in. But we don't go off of just feelings here. We are just going to look at the probability and statistics. I do think that Crypto.com is a product. It has a company. It delivers utility. It is useful. It's around. It hasn't been killed throughout this bear market. Sure, there's a massive price decline, but so is that with about 99% of all the other altcoins, maybe 99.9% to be exact. All the charts, they all came down. They all came down. That's what happens. This is a cyclical market. We decline heavily. We have these bust periods, and then we have these boom periods. That's how it goes with a new asset class such as cryptocurrency. Guys, 10 months away until the Bitcoin halving. 10 months away. We're getting closer and closer. The S&P 500 is starting to look pretty bullish. People are starting to feel a little bit more comfortable deploying capital. We have erased, since the first rate hike occurred, we have erased this downward price action on the S&P 500. We are above that level now. However, I do think that we are in for a little more chop on the S&P 500. I don't think that we're just out of the woods just yet, but this is a sign, guys. This is a sign that people are feeling more comfortable about deploying their capital into the market. The more people are comfortable about not sitting on the sidelines, the more appealing risk-on assets are, which is Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Guys, we are about 10 months away from this Bitcoin halving, a month or two, give or take, on top of that. When we get closer to this, you will start to see this crazy hype start to build. I mean, this move right here was basically all from the BlackRock spot ETF, the SEC ruling for Ripple, basically the judges ruling against the SEC. It created a nice boost, and I think you're going to be seeing a lot of that as we get closer and closer. The hype articles are going to start building and building up, and when that starts to happen, when we start to make this move, past this Bitcoin halving, when we start to really make this move, we're chopping around, we start to make our moves up to the upside. When we start making our moves to around the $60,000 price level, I do think that Crocoin, and we start trading sideways, keep in mind, sideways on Bitcoin, I think there's a very, very good opportunity that Crypto.com will be making its way to the 80 to 90 cent range, maybe even $1. Time will tell, guys. We have time on our side right now. If you are around right now and you're accumulating, pat yourself on the back because you will be rewarded heavily. That's not financial advice, but that's what I'm doing, and I'm confident in my analysis from the previous cycles that we are going to see a very, very nice bull market leading past this Bitcoin halving. And thus, the altcoins will follow. I do believe that. Guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. It helps us out so much. I love giving you guys these quick updates, keeping you in the know, my thoughts on where we're headed in the short term, midterm, and long term for this cryptocurrency asset class. And also, please consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video, click the join button or on our homepage, and you will get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I. You get these awesome custom emojis and loyalty badges. And on top of that, when we reach 100 members, we're going to be giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin each month to our members until the Bitcoin halving. That is 10 months of $500 giveaways. Super excited about that, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.